Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pius Jagan, and now in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the advice that I've individually followed while on YouTube, and I believe this advice will help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 300 subscribers. If there is any lesson that I would advise you to take from this particular video, let it be that YouTube will change your life if you decide to start up a channel. But also, you need to know that the right time to start up a YouTube channel is now. Let us roll the intro and dive straight into this video. When I was starting up a YouTube channel, I watched so many content creators to see what is the best advice for me to start up a YouTube channel. And one of the advice that stands out of all the many videos is to have a niche. Now, I would like to let you know that having a niche doesn't matter when you're starting up a YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, when I was starting up my YouTube channel, I decided to first upload the works that I was doing. Those are documentaries and other videos. I just started creating videos last year that teach people how I do my filmmaking work. When I gained confidence to stand before the camera, that is when I started to make videos about camera work. So it doesn't matter if you have a niche or not. You just need to get started with uploading content on YouTube, and with time, as you gain knowledge about YouTube and what you do, you will start to realize where you belong, and that will become your niche. So start creating content about videos that inspire you, or even about videos that you feel happy to create. You don't have to wait when you will get the niche and then you start creating content. Waiting to start when you have a niche will just keep you waiting, and trust me, time will just move without you start. Another fact about YouTube that you need to know is YouTube is depressing. Now, there has been those times I've not been able to upload content on this channel because I have been depressed by working on videos and also being able to do my other work that pays me to survive. So you need to always just keep going. If you get into a point where you're becoming depressed by creating content for YouTube, I advise you to take a break, and when you feel it is the right time for you to create more content, come back and start creating content for YouTube. Otherwise, you need to prepare yourself for depression that comes along with YouTube. As a matter of fact, there are so many creators that decided to just get off YouTube, and you no longer see them uploading new content just because they reached at the point when they are very depressed because numbers were not coming in, or even the views they wanted to get, they are not coming in. But I advise you, with the time as you keep creating content for YouTube, your life will never stay the same. Numbers will start coming in, and trust me, you will get an audience that supports you no matter how bad your content becomes. So just keep creating and get prepared for moments when you get depressed. And once you hit that point when you feel like depression is taking you, take a break, because your mental health is very essential and very important. And when you feel you are fine to create more content, come back and create more content. Another advice that I would give to anyone who is starting up a YouTube channel is to be yourself. I've seen so many people who start up YouTube channels and they want to be like any person who inspires them to be on this platform. This is frustrating. For you as an individual, you will never feel confident enough as you're creating these videos if you are not accepting to be yourself. And as a matter of fact, the reason that's why YouTube is here for us to create content is so that the viewers can be able to fall in love with your individual personality. Just create what makes you happy and be yourself while you're recording these videos, because at the end of the day, if you fail to be yourself, you're going to get at a point when you're not enjoying what you're doing. So if you're aspiring to create content for YouTube, you need to be yourself, and trust me, the right people will come and will follow you because you're yourself. Why would someone follow you or watch your content when there is an original person that they would have followed instead of you who is trying to be that person? When I was starting out, so many people were sharing advice of you need to share 10 videos, 20 videos to be able to start out. But one thing that I understand as a person who has been on this platform for some time is not everyone has the resources and the finances to create so many videos. So I advise you to just create content and then upload. You don't have to wait for when you get 10 videos and then you start uploading, because at the end of the day, no one knows when you will be able to blow up. So you never know that your first video will be the video that will enable people follow you in huge numbers, or it might be the video that will trigger the algorithm to send you to people who will like your content. You don't have to wait when you will have a bunch of videos and then you start uploading videos on YouTube. Like I said when this video was starting, now is the right time to start uploading content or even creating content for YouTube. Another advice I have for you is no one knows the right time to blow up. As a matter of fact, these big YouTubers that you're admiring, no one knows what they did right for them to blow up, but otherwise they just decided to keep uploading content and creating content that makes them happy. So you need to keep going no matter the few numbers that you're getting, or even if you're not getting the subscribers or even the views that you're aspiring to get. Just keep getting content, because no one knows when they blew up, but they just decided to keep uploading content. As time went on, as they are uploading these videos, they triggered the algorithm and it shared their videos with the right people who started to subscribe to their channels and started to comment on their videos. You don't have to be there asking yourself what you're doing wrong or what you're doing right. Just keep uploading content that makes you happy, and with time you will be able to trigger the algorithm and it will send your content to the people who will be able to view your content, and then at the end of the day you'll be able to get these numbers that you're dreaming of getting. When I was starting up this YouTube channel, one of the mistakes that I would make was to make short videos. Now that we have the YouTube shorts, you can decide to make YouTube shorts or you decide to make long videos. This will be very good for your channel, because at the end of the day you need to hit the time watch, and the time watch only looks at the amount of time people are watching your videos. So if you're making videos that are very long form, it will help you to trigger the time watch, and when you get the number of subscribers, which are 1,000 subscribers, it will be easy for you to achieve the time watch goal, because your videos are very long. So I advise you to make long videos so that people who are watching your videos can be able to stay on your channel for a very long period of time. There are so many people out there who come to YouTube to either learn or be entertained. So if you're creating content for YouTube, you need to tell as you show. So it is not very entertaining if you just speak while you're not showing. You need to speak as you show. Or even if you're teaching people something, they need to be able to see, and that is the reason as why YouTube is here. So instead of just you shooting videos of you speaking, take time and get B-roll that will be showing what you're talking about. So my advice to you is show as you tell, but not tell while you're not showing. So many starting YouTubers face a challenge of procrastinating around gear and getting these big cameras that they see other YouTubers are using. Well, my advice to you today is the best gear is the gear you have. If you have a smartphone and that is what you have and that is what you can access, please start creating content using the phone, because at the end of the day, YouTube is not about how many big cameras you have, but it's about the content that you have, or even the message that you're sending out to the world. So you don't have to procrastinate about the gear that you have. If you go to every big YouTube channel that you know and you scroll down to their first videos, you realize that their videos were not the best. So you need to use what you have and upload that. At the end of the day, you just need to focus on the content you're providing people, but not the quality of the content, because quality just keeps improving as time goes on. So the best gear is the gear you have. Don't procrastinate around getting the big cameras that you see other YouTubers are using to create their content. Having talked about gear, you need to understand that audio is very essential than video. As you're creating these YouTube videos, you need to focus on getting a clear audio than giving people bad audio and then you have a clear image quality. So I advise people to focus more on audio, because at the end of the day, someone can watch a video that has bad image but it has a good audio, but it is very hard for anyone to watch a video that has a bad audio quality yet the image quality is good. So you need to focus on the audio so that people can be able to hear the message you're passing out. And trust me, if you improve your audio, people will be able to subscribe to your channel, people will be able to listen to the message you're trying to pass out. Nowadays, there are so many channels on YouTube that host people who host big names around the different countries. So this has become a reason for so many people to wait when to start up a YouTube channel, when they are waiting for that opportunity, when they will be able to interview big names, or when they will be able to create content with the big creators. But my advice to you, when I was starting this channel, if you look through all my videos, I've not collaborated with anyone, but I've decided to just move solo. So you need to move alone, and other people will come and support you along the way, because at the end of the day, this is about you sharing with the people out there your ideas and your opinions. So you don't need to wait when you will have the big names or anyone to support you. This is your road to walk. If you follow the advice and lessons that I've been able to share with you in this video, trust me, your channel or your YouTube dream will never stay the same. Start now, and trust me, YouTube changes so many lives. My name is Pius Jagena. If you have loved this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, because likes and subs help this channel to grow. I'd like to take this time to thank iVillage Collective, who support my channel with equipment and also space to shoot these particular videos. iVillage are the people who create amazing content, graphics, and all production work. So if you are in Uganda and you need great content and great videos, I advise you to reach out to iVillage Collective, and you'll be able to get the best services in the video work, or even in the photography work. My name is Pius Jagenda. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Some of these tips, now some of these points I've been able to share. I feel it is very important able to go through these challenges. Now the reason that's why I'm sharing these, to be entertained by yourself. So